Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a haul video. I asked on Instagram if you guys wanted me to do a haul and everyone voted yes. So I guess I will show you what I got today. This is over the course of months. I always do this. I just build up what I get and then I do a haul video because I haven't shopped much. So the other day I went to Target to get my girls a bunch of stuff for Easter. So I got a bunch there, but the other things like makeup stuff and things like that, I bought over for a while. So I'm just doing one big, haul video showing you what I got. So I'll just start with the makeup stuff because I'm sure that's what we all love, right? So the first thing I got is the Becca palette. I used this in my last video. I found this on eBay because it is discontinued. So it looks like that. Sorry, the mirror is like the colors are really, really beautiful, and I don't know, I'm really glad I got this palette. I was so upset that it was like, discontinued or whatever. It was a limited edition, I think, but I was happy that I found it. So then, of course, you saw this in my last video as well. I got the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Looks like that. Colors are amazing. If you want like a full review or anything like that, let me know, but I definitely thumbs up this palette. I absolutely love it. Then I bought this, what is this? Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. It looks like that. I saw people talk about this on YouTube saying it's really, really good, and I don't have many full coverage foundations, so I really wanted to check this out, so I will try it and let you guys know what I think, if you want me to. This is another thing I found on eBay. It's a Tarte palette. I've been so into blush lately. I don't know why, but how gorgeous. Like, seriously, look at these colors. Like, they're ridiculous. So it's something for every look, So I was really happy I got this too. I was like, I gotta find it. So that's that. Then I got the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer that everyone's been talking about. I'm wearing it today and I definitely like it so far. So I'm trying it out because concealer sometimes with me, it's hit or miss because I have some circles going on. So it takes like heavy duty stuff to cover them. So this I'm definitely liking so far. Definitely like it. It's nice and thick and doesn't feel drying or anything like that so far. So I'm liking it. So far so good. I picked up the Benefit Professional face primer. This I've used before. I'm kind of going back to this though. Like, this is like my new favorite, face primer. Like, I've been using the Smashbox for years, but this one, I forgot how good it was. Like, I was watching HSN one day just because that's what I watch sometimes, and they were showing this and I was like, I forgot about that. I'm gonna try it again. And it's amazing. Like, it really is. Like, it instantly blurs your pores. Unreal. So I picked another one up of these. Then I picked up the IT Cosmetics Ombre Radiance Blush. I was iffy about this. I haven't actually worn it yet, but I thought the color was really cool, and I thought it was gonna be perfect for like when you're tan. So when I'm finally tan, I'm gonna try it. But it looks really pretty. I like anything like peachy, pink, things like that. Colors like that. Then I wanted to try this Laura Mercier Candle Glow powder. It's just a face powder, and I heard people say it's really nice on the skin, and it looks like kind of glowy. Like, instead of just putting on a matte powder, it just gives you a little bit of a glow. No shimmer or anything like that, but it really does. Like, it makes you nice and glowy and kind of like blurs imperfections a little bit. So this is definitely something I'm liking. Then I got the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. This was a while back. So some of these I've used like a bunch of times because this was from a while back. But this is awesome too. Like, if you have really dry skin. I don't know if it does anything for pores so much, but it's definitely something that it's good to put on your skin if you feel like you have a little bit of dryness. So you can put it on before your face primer. Like, you put it on after your moisturizer. Then you put on this. Then you let it settle in. And then if you want, you could put like a pore primer or something like that, and then your foundation, or you don't even have to put a primer. Like, this is really nice, and you could use it in different ways. Liking it. Definitely like it. Because my skin was a little dry around here lately. And the last makeup thing is this Bobbi Brown Corrector in Bisque. I used this in my last video. I didn't do like the concealer part, but This is really good. I got this as a sample from Sephora, and it's like an orangey tone cover for your eyes, and if you have like bluish or purple tones, like circles, it totally helps cover them. So like I would put this on first, then I do my foundation, whatever, then my concealer. Now, since I've been using this, oh my god, I had to buy one since I used the entire sample. Like there was nothing left to wipe. I used the whole thing, and then I said I have to buy it. It's amazing, and I don't know if I could ever go back to just wearing concealer without this under it. I just feel like I need it now in my life. I picked up the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. It looks like this. I tried it the other night really quick, and I mean I left a little layer on and I went to sleep with it, and I mean I woke up and I don't know. I have to give it another try because I feel like maybe I didn't put enough on. I didn't really notice that much of a difference, and here and there I felt a little itchy. So I want to give it another try, like a fair shot, because people rave about it, so I want to see what the hype is. So I'm definitely going to try it again. And I bought the Tatcha Pore Perfecting Moisturizer and Cleanser. Haven't opened it yet, and I want to try this because it got really good reviews, and I need a new moisturizer. And this I picked, I'm going fast because my camera shuts off after a while. So this is the Bentonite Clay Powerful Facial Mask. I got this on Amazon. The uses are like endless for this. I was looking up something like to detox the armpits because I saw like if you don't want to use aluminum, you know, infested deodorant and you want to try a natural one, it's better to detox with this than go to a natural one. I guess it pulls all the toxins out of you. So I really want to try this. Haven't opened it yet, but apparently it's good for everything. Skin, you could drink it. I mean, it's crazy. The uses for this are nuts. So look this up, and if you've tried this, let me know like what you do, how you use it, because I'm intrigued. I got at Target the other day, and I went for a few things for Easter for my girls. Okay. That was a mistake to just think I was leaving with a few things. So I go to the dollar spot and I got this. It says, it's so cute. It says so fresh, so clean spray bottle. I needed a new one for when I clean because I like to clean with vinegar and water and things like that. I like to use natural things when I can. So I needed a new one of those, and I thought it was really cute. An e.l.f. eyelid primer. I always use that. These look so cute. Twinkling Starry Lights. They're tiny. I think they run by a battery, but they're like 6 feet long. They're like little LED lights. I want to see how they look like in the background. Where can you go wrong? For like $1. I wanted to try them. Of course, I got my Easter egg coloring kit. We have to do that either tonight or tomorrow. Today's Friday. Then I got this cute little thing for my fridge. It has magnets. So if there's anything I have to remember for that day or for the week, because my brain is so scattered, it's ridiculous. Like when you take your clothes and instead of putting them in the hamper, the dirty clothes, you're walking to the garbage to throw them in the like, it's crazy the things that I do. So I need to jot down some things. And these are the baby safety swabs for the baby's ears. I just like to clean around the outside after their bath. And then I got this e.l.f. highlighting brush. It just looks like, I love all e.l.f. brushes. I mean, they're so cheap. You can't go wrong, and they work really well. Okay, so for the girls, I each got them a sippy cup, Minnie Mouse. Super, super cute. Who doesn't love Minnie Mouse? Little spoons for my baby to eat with because she needed some new ones. This I loved, and it was on sale for $5. This is, look at this pool float. It's a unicorn. How freaking cute. So cute. Then my daughter loves bubbles, my 4-year-old. So she had a bubble machine last summer, but it was left out on the deck and it broke. So this was on sale, I think, for $9. So I got her a new bubble machine. A set of 3 little shovels for the beach. They were cute little designs on them. Then for the baby, she needed a new dish and bowls that are that they have the little suction cups on the bottom, so I could just, you know, put some stuff in it and just stick it and it won't go flying off of her. Hi, Chip. So I got on Personal Creations. I got them each a snack cup. It took forever to get here, and they were kind of expensive, and I was annoyed about that because they're like little things. But I thought they were cute. I got them each a little snack cup with their names on it. Angelina and Valentina. Then I got the baby an extra teether, because she's teething, the poor thing, you know. She still only has 2 teeth, so she's gonna need that. Then I got this for my 2-year-old, a cute little purse. She loves purses, and I think this is so cute for spring. They had a bunch of cute ones, but I thought that one was the cutest. I got them both some socks, because we go through socks like crazy. Like, I don't know if we're the only house. They get lost, filthy, I don't know, you name it, or they just go missing. So I got a coloring book, a big fat one, a Lisa Frank coloring book, because you can't have enough coloring books. This was really cute in the dollar spot. Art portfolio, crayons and sketch pad inside. It's a bunny. How cute! Okay. Then I got them yogurt melts. They like to eat these, so I got them a few packs of those for their basket in different flavors. A cute little headband with a bow. Grabbed a few cards. They were $1. So sometimes, like, you know, when you need like a birthday card for someone, I just figure it's good to have. I grabbed like 4 or 5 of them. I think I grabbed 5 of them. I don't know. But they're just good to have, you know, instead of going to CVS and paying like $5 a card. Insane. Then look at this little hat for the baby. Ah, it's like UV protection. I thought this was so cute. I love it. It's got a little seahorse on it. So cute. So got them a bathing suit each for the summer because they needed new ones. This is for the baby. How cute. What a bow. Can't take it. And then look at this one. This is a little halter. How cute is this? Look at the colors. Adorable. And I love the little ruffle action. I got them both a set of onesies. My older one doesn't really wear onesies that much, but sometimes at night I'll put them, sometimes at night I'll put them on her. I feel like it like helps the diaper not leak because it holds it in place. I don't know. So I got her those and a box of crayons to go with her coloring book. So the last few things that I just want to show you that I got random. I've been getting into like crystals kind of. I'm all about like natural remedies, healing, good vibes, like just anything like that that could help, you know, you feel good. So I've been looking them up. I saw Nicole Guerrero talk about it in a video and it just like intrigued me. And I was like, I'm gonna read about it. And I started reading about it. They seem really cool and interesting. And I'm just starting getting into it. So I'm not like a pro or anything like that. The first one I got was this one. It's called citrine or citrine. This is supposed to, I think, help you with manifestation, wealth, like bringing good things into your life, like in abundance. And they say if you keep it in your wallet or your bag, it can bring money, and it just helps you manifest and like draw good things in. So I got that. And there's many more uses for it, but that's what I can think of off the top of my head. This one is like one of my favorites. This is called White Howlite. It's a heart. And I have a random little like rock looking one. I think it's the coolest thing because look at it. It's got like gray, I don't know. It looks like marble basically. And this is supposed to help with like anger, rage, moods, depression. It's supposed to be really strong at like drawing out all those things and like bringing peace, I guess. I don't know. That's what my bracelet's made up of. I got this a while back because I heard it was really good for that. So this is one of those diffuser bracelets and I found them on Amazon. So I've been really into the Howlite. So I got 2 of those. I got an amethyst. This is supposed to help like you sleep. It's supposed to help bring good vibes, take away negative energy. If you keep it under your pillow, I think it helps you like remember your dreams and give you vivid dreams. I think it works well with rose quartz together. And this looks like amethyst, but this is called fluorite. This is another fluorite. I thought this was so cool. It's like a pyramid. Like how cool is that? So I thought these were really cool. They come in different colors, like rainbow, green, purple. So this is the green fluorite, and this is like a purplish fluorite. This one too is supposed to take away negative energy. It's supposed to take away any bad vibes. I think like in electronics too. It'll like if you keep it by your cell phone or your computer, things like that. It'll draw out like the negative energy. I think it's really strong for that, and it's supposed to just be protective like of your home. So anything bad that comes in, it kind of protects from that. So, you know, it might sound ridiculous, but if you believe it works, I guess that's all that matters. And it's like, you know, like The Secret. I bought that book years ago, and I love that stuff. Like, you're just supposed to believe and manifest and bring everything into the, you know, the universe that you want, draw it in. So I thought those were really cool. I ordered a bunch more, but they haven't come yet. They're really cheap and free shipping, but they come from China, so they take forever to get here. So far I only have 6. But I have more on the way. I have rose quartz, and what else? I have little bowl ones, like, I don't know. I ordered different ones. So if you want a whole video on those, or how I cleanse them or whatever, let me know, because I'm still trying to like get into that. So that's it. That is my whole entire haul over the course of like months, like I always do. And Easter's in 2 days, so I hope you all have a beautiful Easter. If you're new to my channel, my new subscribers, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do that now. Hit the notification bell. And if you have any requests or anything like that, let me know down below. And I will see you soon in my next one. Ciao, Bellas.